Welcome to Mathenatic. In this video, we'll discuss the identities that you must memorize in trigonometry and also the information that you would find on your formula sheet in your grade 12 final exam. The first identity that we need to memorize is that tan of theta can be written as sine theta over cos theta. Next, cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. Now, you can also use this as cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. So I simply take sine squared in the original and I move it to the right-hand side, and that becomes negative sine squared. And the same happens with sine square theta. I can rewrite that as 1 minus cos square theta. So what I do in the original cos squared plus sine squared, I move cosine to the right-hand side, and that becomes negative cosine. What I want you to notice is that these ratios are also a difference of two squares. So you can write 1 minus sine squared theta as 1 minus sine theta times 1 plus sine theta, and 1 minus cos squared theta as 1 plus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta. So those are a difference of two squares that we can factorize, and that's particularly useful that when we work with fractions. Now, the information that you have on your formula sheet is that for compound angles and double angles. If you would like, you can try to memorize this, but it is useful to always consult your formula sheet. But let's quickly look at the double angles. Sine's double angle of 2 theta will become 2 sine theta cos theta. But for cos 2 theta, we have 3 different options. So it'll either be cos square theta minus sine square theta, or 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine square theta. And what I want you to notice is that the first option is also a difference of two squares. So we can rewrite that as cos theta minus sine theta multiplied with cos theta plus sine theta. But we need to be careful. The other two options are not a difference of two squares and cannot be factorized in that simple way. So that's a quick overview of the two identities which you need to memorize for paper 2, and then the information in trigonometry that you will find on your formula sheet. Thank you for watching. Remember to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to Mathenatic.